Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain NORTHFIELD bank app review to see with what you're using. So let's get started. The NORTHFIELD bank app gives customers an easy way to handle everyday banking on the go. It includes features like checking balances, transferring money, paying bills, depositing check with money capture, and sending or receiving funds through Zelle. The app also supports business customers with added cash management tools, and recent upgrades have improved speed, security, and navigation. With strong rating on the Apple Store, most users find it reliable and convenient for personal and business banking needs. That said, not all feedback is perfect. Some customers report issues with mobile check deposit, especially on Android, and occasional navigation frustration. While the app is solid, its mobile experience score a little below average compared to some other banks. Overall, the NORTHFIELD bank app is worth using if you are already a NORTHFIELD customer, has it cover all the essential and continue to improve on himself. But it may not offer the same smooth experience as top-rated banking app stores. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.